When we talk about organizational silos, we're describing a phenomenon where departments operate as isolated units, limiting the free flow of information across the organization. This is particularly problematic when it comes to innovation. Jim Rakowski, Senior Vice President of Research, Development, and Engineering at Ecolab, put it perfectly when he said, "It's incredibly important to make sure that the organization can communicate those things internally effectively. Once we have that innovation, we've got to be able to communicate it externally effectively as well." These silos manifest in several ways. R&D teams develop groundbreaking innovations, but struggle to translate technical details into benefits that product managers can understand. Product teams create roadmaps without full visibility into what's technically feasible or scientifically validated. Marketing creates messaging that misrepresents product capabilities because they lack deep understandings of how things actually work. The cost? A Holmes report shows how poor communication costs corporations an average of $62.4 million per year in inefficiency and rework. But the greatest cost is the lost opportunity. Joel Schall, Director of Technology and Innovation at Henkel, shared with me, "We need everybody to own the responsibility to innovate within the organization. And the problem is, sometimes we get siloed and functions have totally different languages." At the heart of silo busting is effective knowledge sharing. When institutional knowledge is properly captured and made accessible, it creates a common foundation that everyone in the organization can build upon. Think about it this way. In a study published in the Harvard Business Review, companies with strong knowledge sharing practices were found to be 5 times more likely to be high-performing organizations. And according to the Project Management Institute, organizations that emphasize knowledge transfer reduce project costs by nearly 30%. According to a recent Workplace Knowledge and Productivity report, U.S. businesses lose $47 million in productivity each year as a direct result of inefficient knowledge sharing. Jim Rakowski shared this insight. "The easiest way to convey the idea is to pretend you're speaking to your great aunt about the idea. Somebody who doesn't have the technical background, somebody who might be interested and you respect them and they respect you, but doesn't really have the information and expertise to keep up with you." This concept is called technological reflectiveness, or TR, which refers to our capacity to understand technologies and reflect on its potential impacts. People with high technological reflectiveness have a stronger ability to translate product concepts across domains, disciplines, and departments. They are stronger at opening their minds to different and more elaborate features and use cases for innovations, and they generate better quality ideas for enhancing a product's impact on the end users and society more broadly. In concept tests for new products, researchers discovered that people with higher TR gave more meaningful feedback and drive socially impactful innovations forward.